Hello everyone, welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Sakshi and in this session, we are about to discuss the miscellaneous rules and various rules for the NDA, that is National Defense Academy, and NA, that is Naval Academy examination. We'll be discussing various rules for this examination. So in this particular session, we'll be discussing articles which are permitted inside the examination hall, articles which are not permitted inside the examination hall, what should be your conduct in the examination hall, the answer sheet particulars, and methods for answering the questions or methods for marking the answers. Now let's start with the articles which are permitted. So what all are the articles which are permitted inside the examination? First of all, clipboard, hardboards, they are allowed, on which only those are allowed on which nothing is written. But please remember, they are subject to conditions. Every examination center may have different rules. Alright. The next is a good quality black ball pen. Please remember, you need to carry black pen. No other colored pen is allowed for marking responses on your OMR answer sheet. After that, another thing is last few pages under question booklets, they will be supplied by the invigilator for rough work of yours. And these are the most important thing that you need to carry. First is the admit card. You need to download it from the website and please check all the particulars before going to examination. And the other thing is ID proof, your photo ID proof in which the details of your name, father's name, date of birth and a clear photograph of yours is given. It can be your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your ID proof, your voting ID, anything is allowed. Any type of ID proof is permitted. Next is what all are the articles which are not allowed inside the examination hall. These are books, notes, loose sheets, any type of calculators, mathematical or drawing instruments, test booklets, rough sheet which are pertaining to the earlier sessions, they are not at all allowed. Mobile phones, Bluetooth, pagers or any other communication devices, and you're always advised to not to bring any valuable or costly items to examination center, as safekeeping for the same cannot be assured by the examination center, and any infringement to these instructions shall entail disciplinary actions including the ban from future examination. Alright, so now we'll be discussing the conduct in the examination hall. Any type of misconduct is totally prohibited. The candidates are expected to behave in a dignified manner. No cheating is allowed. You are not supposed to copy from others. Also, you're not supposed to give your answer sheet to others. Unfair means are strictly prohibited. No candidate should misbehave in any manner or create disorderly scene in the examination, and such conducts or such misconducts will be severely punished or penalized. Now, next we'll be discussing about the answer sheet particulars, right? So first of all, please keep in mind the pen should be black ball pen. You need to write center, subject, followed by test booklet series, subject code, roll number. You need to write you need to fill every particular there. You can take the help of the invigilator, but do not commit mistake there. Now, after that, you need to encode your booklet series. You need to darken, you need to blacken the circles for subject code, roll number, right? And now we'll be discussing about the methods for marking the answers. So the first thing is question paper. They will be in the form of test booklets, right? For each questions, items, several suggested answers, responses, or in the easier term, let me tell you, options will be given. You must choose one response to each item and then fill it up right here. Okay, in any case, for each items, you're supposed to select only one response. In case you select more than one response, your response will be considered wrong, right? Now, let me show you how you need to answer in the answer sheet. So, in the answer sheet, serial numbers from 1 to 160 are printed. Okay, although the questions are less, you just need to answer till the total number of question only. Okay, not till 160th question. Suppose in your question paper, there are only 100 questions, then you just need to answer till 100. Alright. Now, against each number, there are circles marked with A, B, C, D, right? These are the options. What you need to do, you must mark your response by completely blackening the circle. Let me show you how. Suppose for the question number 4, for you, option 1 is correct. So, how you need to fill up? You need to completely darken this particular circle very carefully and very neatly, right? and that is how you answer the particular question. So guys, this is all about the various miscellaneous rules for examination that you need to know. Please keep this in mind that every examination center may have different procedures and on the spot rules. Like in some centers they can even ask you to remove your shoe, hand bracelets, finger rings, or even your belts. So you should be prepared for everything and anything, but these are just rules to clear the examination. You need to prepare for the examination and you need a proper strategy and guidance for the same. All of it you can get in our mobile app, SSB Crack Exams. You can download it from Google Play Store and enroll to our courses. So all the very best guys. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, work hard, stay motivated. Jai Hind.